Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving an RDR file system blue screen error you're coming across on your Windows computer. It says that the bug check has a value of 0x800000027 and that this would indicate a problem has occurred in the SMB redirector file system. So this has to do with our kernel mode file system driver. And we're going to go about resolving this pool memory error you're coming across. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in device manager, best match, or go back with device manager. Go ahead and just left click on that to open it up. You want to expand the display adapter section here by double clicking on it, and then select whatever display adapter is listed under here. You want to right click on it and select update driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. I would select the most applicable one. However, if there's only a basic display adapter provided by Microsoft, that would also be sufficient. And you'd select Next here. And give it a moment. And hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. A couple more things we're going to go about trying here would be to run a DISM scan. So we're going to go into the start menu, type in CMD, best match, command prompt. You want to go right click on that and select run as administrator. If you're prompted with a user account control screen, select yes. And now, like I said, I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this. It will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, hopefully it would have been able to resolve the problem. You can close out of here. Another thing we can go ahead and try, and like I said, there's going to be a couple more things we can do here, is run an SFC scan. What we want to do now is open up the start menu again, type in CMD, best match, go back with command prompt. We're going to right click on it, run as administrator, select yes if you have a user account control prompt. We're going to type in SFC followed by a space and then /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. It will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that is done, close out of here, open up the start menu, type in memory. Best match should go back with Windows Memory Diagnostic. We're going to go ahead and open that up. It's going to say check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. Restart now and check for problems recommended. Save your work and close any open programs before restarting. Sounds like good advice to me. Once you do that, go ahead and select this option. And this will take, in my experience, about 10 minutes or so to run, so just please be patient. Okay guys, looks like it has wrapped up here, and I would say honestly at this point we've done quite a few things. Hopefully the issue has been resolved. You shouldn't be seeing that blue screen anymore. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.